Middle Eastern chicken lahmacun made flatbread that's crispy, juicy, and full of flavor. Served with a refreshing onion, tomatoes, sumac salad. Perfect for family dinners and gatherings. Try this delicious recipe. And don't forget to like and subscribe. One kilogram all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of yeast, 8 ml warm milk. Add all ingredients to the flour and knead into a soft, smooth dough. Cover the dough and let it rest for 30 minutes. Chicken mince, 500 grams. 1 large size onion, 1 bell pepper, green chili as per taste. 1 large tomato and bunch of chopped parsley. Salt as per taste. Red chili powder as per taste. Crushed coriander, 2 tablespoons. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon. Garlic powder, 1 teaspoon. Ginger powder, 1 teaspoon. Finally, chop all the veggies in a chopper. Then add them to the chicken mince. Add chopped parsley and spices. Now add the chopped veggies to the chicken mince and mix well until all the ingredients are fully combined. Keep it in the fridge for 1 hour. After resting for 30 minutes, divide the dough into small balls. Roll it out to your preferred thickness and size. Apply a thin layer of the chicken mixture on the bread with your hands, according to your choice. Arrange them on a grease baking tray and bake in a preheated oven at 250 degrees for 15 minutes. Prepare salad for serving with the bread. Sliced tomatoes, sliced onions, chopped parsley, lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of sumac powder and mix it well. Chicken mince bread is ready to serve. Thanks for watching.